Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study for the AP Art History exam. We'll go over a step-by-step approach to help you prepare effectively and efficiently. First, we'll cover understanding the exam's format and content. Then, we'll dive into mastering the 250 required artworks. Finally, we'll discuss essential study techniques and practice strategies to boost your confidence and score well on test day. A core component of the exam is the 250 required works. Create flashcards or digital notes for each piece, including its title, artist, date, and materials. Crucially, understand the historical and cultural context surrounding each artwork. Practice describing the formal qualities and analyzing the artistic choices made by the creator. This deep understanding will be invaluable for both multiple choice and free response questions. The AP Art History exam has two main sections. Section 1 contains 55 multiple-choice questions, making up 50% of your total score. Section 2 is the free response portion, with 3 short essays and 2 longer essays, also contributing 50%. It's vital to practice writing timed essays to develop your analytical skills and ensure you can complete all questions within the allotted time. To maximize your preparation, employ active recall techniques such as flashcards or quizzing yourself regularly. Consider forming a study group with classmates to discuss artworks and deepen your understanding through shared perspectives. Always review past exam questions and their scoring guidelines to understand what examiners are looking for. Finally, create a realistic study schedule and commit to it consistently for the best results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.